Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your PDF file to remove and merge the pages. So first of all, just in your browser type PDF file remove pages. Once you click, you will find iLovePDF remove pages. So if you go here, you need to select your PDF, or you can directly drop your PDF file. You can directly drop your PDF file like this. If you want to delete any of the page, just click over there. If you want like multiple pages to delete it, just click again. Okay, if you do and just click on remove pages, it will remove and automatically gets downloaded. You can see. So this is how you can perform the removing part. One more thing, PDF file merge pages. If you just click here, you can just go to the same website, iLovePDF, merge PDF files online. Here you need to give one or more PDF like this. You can add multiple PDF, and if you merge PDF, it will automatically merge the PDF and get downloaded. So this is a simple way you can perform to merge files, merge pages, or remove pages from a PDF file very easily. After downloading, you can just rename your PDF file. So this is how you can perform this operation. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.